Hey there, folks. Today, I want to share with you an exciting experience I had at a business conference organized by the Zawadi Center. I learned so much about the resources available to small businesses and those interested in starting their own ventures. The conference was expertly planned, prepared, organized, and presented by the Zawadi Center. They've got a fantastic team at Sigma Consultant and Training, who are dedicated to helping businesses navigate the project process. Whether you're just starting out or need some guidance, they're here to assist you. I had a great time at the conference, and I'm sure you'll find it just as valuable if you attend one yourself. If you're interested in learning more about starting or growing your business, I highly recommend checking out the Zawadi Center's resources. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more informative and engaging content. Until next time, keep striving for success.